Alright, so we back in here at these headlights. I had put these eBay BS's on there. Went ahead and caught me some stock ones, cause hey, them other ones you can't even see. You turn them on, you can't see unless you put the brights on. And the lights are on. Can't figure out how the projector thing works. It's broken. I don't know what's going on. But got me some new stock ones. I'm gonna put those on today. Dang, so I get ready to crawl under there and I see, what do I have? A radiator leak. So I think I'm gonna get on here, order this radiator, and when that gets here, I'm gonna do the radiator and the lights at the same time. Slow roll, getting ready for Beamer invasion. You know. We might take the whole game. Should we take the whole game? We just made. What a beautiful day to live. Alright, she's back on the jack stands. I skipped all of the pleasantries, you know. Y'all done seen me put the card before. We got a lot of new toys. We got new undercarriage, new cabin filter in that box, new stock headlights in this box. Ugh. Yeah, and then, we got a new radiator too, because the radiator head was leaking, remember? Yeah, we gonna get at the radiator. We're finna get all of that done in the next little bit. Got the battery undid. That's always the first thing. Make sure you get all that stuff done, so. All right, now we're just gonna start getting busy now. So I just took the intake out, because I'm gonna have to get to these lights. Take them back out. And then I may need to move this reservoir out the way. I may not have to though. All right, so she has no eyes. She has no eyes. Everything's taken apart. I got to messing with this radiator. Hopefully, it just wasn't tight. Now I didn't order the whole radiator behind it, so hopefully it just wasn't tight. But if it's leaking, we're gonna change that too. So yeah, now I gotta take the air box apart, take the air filter out, since I got a new air filter too. So we're gonna switch out all of this stuff. We're gonna get busy. We're getting a whole lot of new stuff. What a beautiful day to live. Alright, so it is drying. It is so I'm just gonna go ahead and drain this. So yeah, I'm gonna have to take the radiator out of there. So I went ahead and drained it. I got everything took apart, you know, for the lights. Cause you know I gotta do the lights, of course. Again, I had that leak, so we're gonna change the radiator. Do the air filter. I got some new undercarriage. Yeah, we just slowly gonna put the 1 series back together, man. I do have the headers. I need to look into that. really see I'm gonna play with the space on that here soon and go ahead and get to doing that. Yeah, you know, we're gonna make a monster. Oh. I got the these things are straight BS. Y'all seen me work on those and put them in. That ain't no good. The little projector thing, it don't shoot out like it's supposed to. You know, they wanted to be like some fake Xenons. This car didn't come with Xenons, all they got those, but it's a whole bunch of other stuff that I don't really know how to do for like programming and things to get those to work. So what a beautiful day to live. I already drained the radiator, and so I'm gonna go ahead and snatch that out, get that out of here too. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that first. I'm gonna snatch that out, then put the lights back in, button up all of that, and then finish the radiator. Yeah, so let's get it. All right, got the lights on. Yeah, no.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Now we're gonna attack the radiator, get that knocked out. Let's go. Time to get this in. Let's go. Alright, so we got the radiator back in. Had a leak. Had to get another one of these hoes. Ran to O'Reilly. Picked up one of them bad boys. Got it in there. Boom. We rocking. I'm gonna go ahead and put the intake and stuff back in there. Put the wheels back on. Drop her down. She back. She back. And I got something for Poe and Sylvia on the way.
Currently being recorded.
Not gonna tell y'all what it is yet. So yeah, I'm gonna change my air filter since I had one. I already took it off. It's just right here. This the cabin filter. You know, it's not too old. Kind of, you know, smells a little bit. And we'll put the wheels on. Get it. Well, I got. Oh, hold up. I got a new undercarriage. So we're gonna grab some of the stuff for that. Clean up on the bottom and slap that on there. So that's new. Everything should be in place where it should be, not hanging, looking crazy and stuff. So yeah, let's go. So, got the new undercarriage on. It looks much better than the other one. It's tore up. The other one was tore up. Falling down when wind pulling it and all kind of craziness. So, yeah, we got that locked in. Now I'm gonna get the wheels back on and take it for a drive. Yes, sir. Yeah. Finna go drive the car now. See what we got going on. We getting her there. We getting her there. You know, we getting her to the point where we're gonna be able to start doing some fun. You know. Yeah, so car is operating at its highest capacity.
It's working?
Yeah, it's working now. Yeah, we put it back together. She got a lot of work done today. New undercarriage, new radiator, new cabin filter, new headlights. I ain't get to test those at night, but they on, they work. No more leaks, except for that little oil leak. But it's not a big deal. It's a BMW. But yeah, I normally don't, I always end up skipping this part, you know what I'm saying, for y'all, you know what I mean? We just riding the car around the neighborhood, making sure that it operates good. That's all.